Okay, quick look at my before situation here where I've got water coming into my kitchen. This is evidently where it's coming in. It's got a hole there and a leak. So I'm taking my gutter off to start with, which has been a chore, but I realize these are screws and not nails, so I finally stopped tugging on them and unscrewed them with my drill driver. Here we go. So I borrowed this from Curtis Brown, the scaffolding, quite an elaborate setup, but I wanted to make it as safe as possible. Up there on top of that little roof is where I'm replacing some siding. Okay, I got this trim pulled back and had to take some off up around the corner there. And this is the bad piece I've cut out. I've got to get a new piece in there. Okay folks, I'm getting closer to being finished. Today is Sunday, September 1st, 2019, and I got the piece cut out and got it put in here. I mean, it's the type of thing, of course I don't really relish having this, I don't really want having this little framing here, but it seemed like the right thing to do to protect it, caulk it all up, and it's on the back of my house and hardly anyone would ever see this. So anyway, that's the job we're doing today. We got the trim put back on and caulked up, and we're going to paint it now and put the gutter back on here, and we'll see how it looks. Hey, it's Labor Day 2019. I'm up on the scaffolding for the last time, ready to take it down. This is the end result. I'm pretty happy with it. Thank the Lord I didn't get hurt. Anyway, happy Labor Day, and if you do a project like this, best to you. I think in a perfect world I would have gone all the way to the top. I don't know why I didn't want to tackle that. I probably should have. Probably, if I had it to do over, I might do that. That's the one thing I might do different, but it would be a little more challenging. I'd have to get a ladder up on this scaffolding. So I'm happy with the way it is. I don't think it's a big negative to the house. Best to you, everybody. Thank you for watching.